A comprehensive understanding of infection prevention and control is essential for nurses when seeking to protect themselves, patients, colleagues, and the general public from the transmission of infection in the healthcare environment. PPE provides a barrier against exposure and transmission of infectious material and prevents the contamination of surfaces. This educational video will provide you the information you need to appropriately use the PPE during a variety of patient care activities.
This is a video on wearing and removing of personal protective equipments by healthcare workers. General guidelines to be followed while donning a PPE. Remove all personal belongings like rings, watches, writing pens and mobile phones. To minimize discomfort during patient care, use the washrooms before putting on PPE. Eat well and make sure that you are hydrated well. For people who use specs, clean your glasses and wear them after you put on your N95 respirator. Use N95 respirator for infected cases. No skin area should be exposed after wearing PPE. The PPE will be donned in an area which is away from patient or outside to an isolation area. The PPE does not require to be sterile.
There should be an alcohol-based hand rub for performing hand hygiene in the donning unit. The process should be supervised or assisted by an expert trainee. Before you start your donning procedure, visually check the integrity of the PPE for correct size and damage prior to donning. The PPEs used here are in the sequence of boot cover, gown, N95 respirator, cap, goggles and gloves.
Then begin donning the protective clothing. Wear the boot covers first. Sit down, make yourself comfortable and wear the boot cover and ensure a slug fit. Try not to touch the floor or other areas with your hands while putting the boot cover. If you do, disinfect your hands before putting the next PPE.
Next, put on the gown which fully covers the torso from neck to the knee, arms to the end of the wrist and wrap around the back. Fasten gown by tying at the waist. Next, don the N95 respirator. Cup the respirator in your hands with the nose piece up while holding the respirator in place. Pull the top strap over your head while continuing to hold the respirator firmly in place. Pull the bottom strap over your head and position it below your ears. Now, using both hands, mold the nose piece to the shape of your nose by pushing inward while moving your fingers down both sides of nose piece. Now perform a user seal check. Place both hands completely over the respirator, being careful not to disturb the position and exhale sharply. If air leaks around your nose, adjust the nose piece to the shape of your nose by pushing inward. If air leaks at the edges, adjust the strap back along the sides of your head. Next, don your cap. Make sure that your ears and forehead till the eyebrows are covered completely with the cap. The goggles can be worn, which is compatible with the N95 respirator for extra protection. Wear an inner gloves of appropriate size and gloves should extend to cover the wrist. The final step of donning is the verification of observer on proper donning of PPE. A disposable waterproof apron and an outer glove is worn outside the patient room before entering the patient room. The outer gloves and the disposable waterproof apron are removed inside patient area.
Doofing the PPE will be done in the designated area for doofing, which is generally outside the main patient care area. Provision for hand hygiene and bins for biomedical waste disposal should be present in the doofing area. General consideration for doofing. It should be performed slowly and deliberately in a sequence that prevents self-contamination. A trained observer supervises the doofing sequence at a distance of 2 meters.
To remove goggles, bend slightly forward and hold the back of goggles. Remove it forward and outward and drop
In a red biomedical waste container.
Perform hand hygiene using alcohol-based hand rub and allow it to dry. Then remove the cap, holding it on the top portion and pulling it out by bending slightly forward. Drop it to the yellow biomedical bin. Perform hand hygiene using alcohol-based hand rub and allow it to dry. Remove the gown deliberately and carefully to prevent self-contamination. Undo waist ties, slowly then undo necktie or the velcro strap at the neck. Pull the gown outward and away from body, taking care to touch only the inside of the gown. Roll it like a ball inside and dispose it slowly on a yellow biomedical waste. Now sit down and remove the boot cover slowly, taking care to touch only the inner aspect. Hold by top edge and pull it down. Discard it in the red biomedical waste bin.
Now remove gloves. By using gloved hand, grasp the palm area of the other gloved hand and peel off first glove. Hold removed glove in gloved hand. Slide fingers of ungloved hand under remaining gloves at wrist and peel off second glove over first glove. Discard gloves in a red biomedical waste container.
The final step is the proper removal of N95 respirator after leaving the patient care area. Do not touch the outer aspect of the respirator. Slowly lift the bottom strap from around your neck up and over your head. Now lift off the top strapper. Do not touch the respirator to the yellow biomedical bin.
We have finished with the doofing procedure.